Hello and welcome to Free Dictionary Friday with ETETutor. So this is an introduction video for a new collection of Free Dictionary Friday videos that I'm going to be making, and it's the Spelling Bee collection. So this will be great for anybody who struggles with spelling, and it's brilliant for developing vocabulary as well. If you're new to English or learning English as a second language, then click easy to get you started. If you're doing your GCSEs and you want a bit more of a challenge, I'd go for hard. I normally leave the setting on hard because obviously I'm trying to help you expand your vocabulary. Now, I want to be really honest with you. I find spelling challenging, and I always have done. And I don't want it to hold you back. Obviously, I managed to achieve a first class English degree, so it didn't stop me, and I want the same for you. So let's have a look at what we've got here. So we can see we'll always get the opportunity to listen, and we know what part of speech we're looking for. So this time we're looking for a noun, a thing, an object. And here we can see a small mechanical device or control, a gadget. Okay, so I'm guessing that the correct answer here is gizmo, and that's not the gremlin if you're a fan of 1980s films. It's not Gizmo the gremlin, it is a gizmo as in a small handheld, normally gadget device. Some people might call it a widget. But yeah, I think we're going to go for gizmo here. Okay, this is brilliant because it shows you that you don't have to be right. It's still a great learning experience. So it's quite handy that this has come up in our introduction one. And you can see I did mention that word widget, but I went for gizmo. So let's have a look. So here we can see that we've got a little bit more definition here, and it's described as a gadget as well. If we have a look at the word gadget or widget down here, we can see that my ID gizmo also featured down there. And if you're a regular to my channel, you'll know my little dog Pip, and very often we'll be out and about and somebody will come up to him and say, "Oh, hello Gizmo," saying he's a little gremlin. Alright then, I really hope you enjoy these videos. Having somebody talk quite naturally about words is a really helpful way of learning. So I hope you enjoy it as much as I enjoy making them. Alright then, thanks as always for watching, and if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do so, because I can be a bit random at releasing these ones on a Friday, so never quite sure what time it'll be to keep you on your toes. Alright then, thanks again, bye for now.